Today we are going to check out a very interesting product, that is the Octar Smart Plugs. And believe me, they can make your existing household devices smarter and much better. Octar sends this product in this beautiful packaging. It is a made in India product and comes with 1 year warranty. As you open the box, you will find a nice guidebook. It talks about the features, usage, and the applications that can be used to control these smart plugs. For time being, let me keep these documents aside and let's get into the actual product. In this kit, you get two smart plugs. One is a 6 amp plug to control small devices like phone charger, and the other one is a 16 amp plug to control bigger appliances like water heater, microwave, etc. So basically you can automate and control one low powered and one high powered plugged in devices with this kit. Coming to its looks and build quality, it looks bit bulky, but it feels nice and sturdy. It is made up of polycarbonate material. To get started with the setup of the smart plugs, download the Octar Smart Home app from the Play Store or from iOS. Once you download the app, sign up and create your account. So once you are into the Octar app, you can see Wi-Fi Smart Plug Kit configuration. Please select that particular tile. As you select that configuration, you will see a nice video tutorial on how to add your smart plugs to this application. As you can see, we have to just scan the QR code given behind the smart plug to add it to the application. You will get a success message that the Wi-Fi plug kit is added. In the same way, add the 16-amp plug as well. Now proceed to the home screen. Here you can see two plugs already added into your application. Kindly follow the instruction given in the app to connect your smart plugs to your Wi-Fi network. Once you enter the credentials for your Wi-Fi network, the smart plug configuration will start and will take couple of minutes to set up. Now the setup is done and you can see you have a on-off toggle switch for the smart plugs. If you click on the smart plug icon, you will see many options under it. You can schedule the on and switch off of the smart plug. On time, off time, on selected days you can schedule it. We'll see more details later. You can enable auto off. Sometimes we forget after switching on a device, so this auto off timer is very helpful. You can see the logs. And you can interestingly integrate it with Alexa and Google Home. Now let me quickly show you how it works with Alexa. I will try to switch on and switch off the smart plug using Alexa. Hi Alexa, switch on the charger.
Okay.
As you can see, the charger is switched on. Hi Alexa, switch off the charger.
Okay.
Now the smart plug is switched off. So now I will quickly show you how to add Octar app skills to your Alexa. So this is the Alexa screen. Okay, so here you can see there is something called skills and games. Select that. To discover. And you can click this search icon and type in Octar. You'll find there is something called Octar Smart Home. Select it. So you can see there is something called Octar Smart Home. So as you can see, I have already enabled this skill. So for the one who is trying to install this for the first time, you will see a option to enable the skill. Just click on that and the skill will get enabled. And once that is done, you can go back to devices. Your smart plugs will be automatically detected, or you can add the device on the screen. So you can see my smart plugs already added here. And you can control your smart plugs through Alexa app as well. So while for the first time login, it will ask you user ID and password. The same will be available inside the Octar app. As I have already done the setup in my Octar app, so we'll open that app and let's go through various features that are available for these smart plugs. So once you get into the Octar application, you can see I have renamed my plugs as heater and charger. Charger is the 6 ampere plug, heater is the 16 ampere plug. So this renaming option is a good thing to have, which will help you to quickly identify and use it during your voice control. So here we have the toggle switches. This is how you make it on or off. The only condition is that your smart plugs should be connected to home Wi-Fi network, and your phone should have a internet connection or mobile data connection, and you can control it from anywhere in this world. Now let me switch off the charger. Now let's go into the smart plug. Let me click on charger. You can see there are various options inside it: schedule, timer, activity history, name and image. You can use this to change the name given to the smart plug. Manage user. You can share this app with other family members so that they can also control through their mobile. You have voice assistants, so you can set up or integrate this smart plug to work with Alexa or Google Assistant. Installation and support, in case you need any urgent support from the support team from Octar. They're a Noida-based company, and I hope they would be able to provide a good support when needed. And then you have the plug setting, the Wi-Fi setting that you have done to connect the smart plug to your home Wi-Fi network. So these are the various options. Now let's check out each and every option one by one. I'm going into schedule timer and activity history. So you can see here I have kept various schedule for my heater. You can add or remove schedule using this option at the bottom, add a new on off schedule. Let me click on that. So here you can see action to perform, on off, and at what time and on which days, and you can save the changes. Suppose I want to switch it on at 10 AM in the morning on few selected days like Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And I can save the changes. So this will ensure that as long as your Wi-Fi network is available, on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, the heater will switch on at 10 AM. Similar way, you can give a switch off timer. So 10 AM to 10:30 AM. And I can save the changes. And once you save the changes, they will be available over here. You can see on schedule, off schedule. In this way they will be available and you can very easily manage it. Now the first very important thing is that you can save a lot of power by such scheduling, because many a times you forget to switch off the heater. So this kind of feature helps to manage power in a better way. Now let's move to the next option, add remove auto off timer. So you can see I have enabled the auto off timer. What this basically does is, you can see the details here. Your device will switch off after set time, whether it is switched on by schedule, physical switch, Otka mobile app, Amazon Alexa. So in whichever way you switch it on, after some time that you set through this timer, the device will auto switch off. So you can set maximum 3 hours and 59 minutes. So one simple use case is, suppose you want your heater to switch off after 30 minutes, irrespective of whether it is switched on using Amazon Alexa or whether it is switched on using your Otka app. So just come here and set the timer to 30 minutes. It is as simple as that. So here I have set it to 30 minutes. You can see 0 hours and 30 minutes. And you save the changes. This is a nice addition to this application. Let's move on to next option. So you can view the history of your smart plug. So at what time it was switched on using which method, whether it was through application or whether it was through scheduler or whether it was through the voice assistant. So you can see all these things in this log. The last option here is related to the type of voice commands you can use with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. You can see it clearly says to switch on heater or switch off heater. It really makes things very convenient. Now let me go back. The next option is name and images. Let's click on that. You can see you can edit the name here. You can also give an image for your plug for quick identification. Manage user. You can invite users, your family members, to control this smart plug. Then you have voice assistant. How to link with voice assistant. So as you can see, you can link it with Google Assistant or Alexa. So with Google Assistant, clearly all the instructions are given here. You are provided with username and password, which you have to use while setting up in Google Assistant. Same goes with Alexa. All the instructions are clearly mentioned. Then we have installation and support. You can see a quick video tutorial which is coming soon, and you can learn about the plugs, and you can get the support. You can call the support team from here. Let me go back. The last option is plug setting, that is your Wi-Fi configuration. You can see your Wi-Fi setting here, your notification setting here. So right now it's connected. You can change your Wi-Fi connection from this tab. And then you have the notification setting. So whenever the smart plug gets switched on or off, you get a notification on your mobile phone. It's a very handy thing to have. So these are all the features that we have in the mobile app to control our smart plugs. A few things that I want to mention here. If you go to the scheduler, as you can see, I have set my schedule. Suppose there is a power cut, and when the power resumes, the good thing about this smart plug is that it memorizes your last state, whether it was on or off, and it will be able to resume from there. So if your smart plug was switched off at the time when power went off, so when the power resumes, the smart plug will stay switched off. So this is how it works, which really makes it convenient and useful. So we have checked out most of the features and advantages of this smart plug. Now this Oetker smart plug have a few downsides, few limitations I would say. One being, it is not having a physical switch on the smart plug. So these days there are some other manufacturers in India who are providing a physical switch on the smart plug, so that in situation where your Wi-Fi is not working, you can control this plug through those physical switch. But the same is not available in the Oetker plug, which I hope they will bring in their upcoming plugs, smart plugs. And the second thing is that there is no energy meter available with this plug. So I have purchased some other plugs from other Indian manufacturer like Smidge. They have an energy meter that comes with the plug, where you can see 7 days energy consumption.
which is a nice to have feature. But if I have to say in short, if we ignore these two downsides, these two limitations, overall the Octar plug is very nice. It works very well whatsoever. If you have a good consistent Wi-Fi connectivity at your home, I will surely recommend you these smart plugs. The best thing about these smart plugs are that you can control it from anywhere in the world, as long as you have the internet connectivity. Suppose you are planning to have a hot bath when you reach back home from office. You can simply switch on your heater when you are in office, and by the time you reach home, you have super hot water ready for you. So these are some features that make smart plug very convenient and useful.